We did NumPy and Pandas in last practical.
Pandas I have not just explained, but I have explained the NumPy basically.
Yeah.
And I thought we should go more detail about the Python, that is how the control flow, for loop, basically while statement, and how the basically Python language basically execute all these control flow statements. Okay, so basically first I will tell about the Python. Basically, Python is a high level interpreter. Just give you the overview about the Python if any ask exam. So Python is a basically high level interpreted, interactive, and object oriented scripting language. Basically, it requires the sort of basics of object oriented programming, like your method overriding, and through that we can override the method. So that's why this object oriented concepts are should be required, as well as some concepts about your regular expressions and your database management is also required. But let it be, we're not done with that, so we will just see the superficial layer of this. Then Python was designed basically highly readable, which uses the English word frequently, जो मैंने बताया था, as compared to other language. There are the some statement like scanf, printf. In Java we can system out dot println, and we can having the particular semicolon, colon. So that's why semicolon, basically we have to use certain punctuation. But in the case of Python, we can use the your general kind of English keywords we can use. That print, not printf or print system out dot println kind of a thing. Or we can write it directly the same formal English language we can use as the English keyword as compared to other languages. Okay. Then this is what the basically the interpreter and compiler. So Python directly interpreted into machine instruction, means many languages use this compiler. Your source code is converted into bytecode, that the class file, and then output get executed. Like as your Java is independent language, why? Because whenever you are having this platform independency, why it is called as a, if you are having this class file and wherever the Java environment is available, you can run this class file into that particular environment also. So that's why it is called as a platform independent language. So that's why it generates the source code, it generates the bytecode, and then exe file generated, and then your output should be generated. But in case of your Python is instead of directly interpreted into machine instructions, so that's why py directly gets your output. So its extension will be .py. So as you are knowing that. So this is what the history of Python. Who invented Python basically? Gaudio van Rossum basically. So it's given. It's actually the snake name. Python is a snake's name, but it should be the given as a Python was developed by this Gaudio van Rossum. Okay. So that's basically Python derived from many other languages like ABC, Modula, C, C++, Algol, as well as Smalltalk, Unix shell, other scripting languages. So this is the Python. Python copyright like your Perl. So Perl भी एक language आता है. There are the certain syntax difference, but Python like Perl. So that's why this is the Python and Perl, means Mumbai University syllabus basically includes Python as well as Perl language sort of introduction basically. Now this Python source code is now available in your general public license. Python is now maintained the core development. अभी वो just popular है ये. It should be developed long ago, but nowadays it's having due to having many kind of packages like pandas, numpy, your seaborn, beautiful soup, many things, and you can add your own package also. So that's why that will be the feature of this Python, and that's why this Python is very much important. Now why this Python? Basically it's easy to learn because it related to few keywords जो है और जिसके सिंटैक्स हमें याद रखने हैं. Easy to read basically, easy to maintain the success of the source code. Then broad standard library we are having, that is the strongest point about the Python, and very much interactive mode about this particularly Python. Then also it is a portable language. The variety of hardware platform means like your IoT जो है Raspberry Pi, Arduino Dino, like IoT means Internet of Things. Many people have might be heard this word, that is Internet of Things. So that IoT can be with writing this Raspberry Pi. I will show you Raspberry Pi.
What is register? Register is nothing but it is a storage software.
So this is what the Raspberry Pi, Arduino Dino जो बोलते हैं. Using this Raspberry Pi means once you just write, ये code is nothing but basically you can have in the camera over here. It is the simple IC. This is the LAN cable. These are the USB. And through this Raspberry Pi, basically we can write the code in the Python, and you can do the various activity like the camera. You can do the sensor control projects जो होते हैं like sense control. That can be easily possible with the help of this Raspberry Pi. और ये आपको मार्केट में मिल सकता है. If you want to buy, you can buy it because many projects are in a Raspberry Pi. Like automation system जो भी होता है, basically we can say that your home automation system. Like suppose आप corridor से walk कर रहे हो and the lights will be on because you are walking from the corridor. So that will be the basically thing carried out with this help of IoT kind of a thing. So that's why this Python is basically the portable and it's using this interface. There are many what we can say, many platforms are get explored and many hardware platforms also get explored, and we can develop the variety of your different kinds of projects with the help of this Python. तो IoT और Python यूज करके ही बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट हो सकते हैं. लाइक योर ऑटो मिरर वी कैन है जनरेट द वेब आइडिया. मतलब वहाँ पे कंटिन्यूस आप जो बेसिकली मिरर जो लगा होता है उसमें साइड में यू कैन रन द web news or web what can say web interface kind of a thing. That's why then Python is extensible. Basically you can add the low level model to the Python interpreter basically, so we can having the more sufficient customize their tools more sufficiently. So that's why this is extensible kind of language. Means it enable the programmers to add or to customize their own tool. Like I have to customize my own tool. And in data science basically there are the many tools are newly added, and that should be added with the help of this researcher or particularly programmer basically. Now Python provide interfaces to all major commercial database. Basically आपका MongoDB है, SQL है. These are the basically supported database of this Python. MongoDB like a JSON. So that basically with the help of supported by this Python. The running database software है SQL and MongoDB that will be supported with the help of this Python language. Then Python आप बोलोगे कि मैम क्यों बोल रही है कि ये GUI support करता है. Yes, Python also support your graphical user interface. It uses the tkinter library. tkinter library supported by your basically Python. And Python can be created and ported in many system cells, libraries, windows. Okay. Then Python is basically a scalable language. It provides the better structure and support for the later large programming or shell scripting language. So that's why this Python. Now Python का एक बहुत अच्छा framework है. Now you are following multimedia, social media sites. Okay. So कितने लोग Instagram follow करते हैं? How many are people following Instagram? Raise your hand just. इतने अच्छे बच्चे हैं कि कोई भी इंस्टाग्राम फॉलो नहीं करता है. हाँ, एक हाथ ऊपर आया. ओके. अदर. हाँ देख वो करो. हाँ, कितने लोग मुझे देखना है कितने लोग सोशल मीडिया पे एक्टिव है. कितने 30 लोग. बाकी ये आदित्य अमान not following. Basically many people are following. Only 15 लोगों ने raise your hands किया है. 39 are joined only. Okay, raising hands basically. So many people are following Instagram basically. So Instagram किसमें बना है आपको पता है क्या? Can anyone knows where in which language Instagram is built?
Python.
Yes, Python है, but Python का क्या है? Python तो है. Python का Django फ्रेमवर्क जो आता है, Django बोलते हैं उसको, जो बेसिकली इजीली गिव्स यू द वेब एप्लीकेशंस. उसके ऊपर ये Django के फ्रेमवर्क पे आपका इंस्टाग्राम चलता है. ओके. लाइक योर क्वारा की जो साइट है जिसपे आप क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो और आपको आंसर्स मिलते हैं, और आप एग्जाम में पूछे गए क्वेश्चंस कॉपी पेस्ट करके MCQ वाले आपको आंसर नहीं आते तो आप क्वारा पे डालते हो, और क्वारा पे आपको बहुत सारे आंसर्स मिल जाते हैं. तो दैट क्वारा इज आल्सो नथिंग बट डेवलप्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस Python. So that's why this Python is basically used for your many kind of a web application nowadays, and that's why this Python's beauty, basically we can say that. And through that we can having a various basically beautiful things carrying out with the help of this, like आपका web scraping possible है, data scrap करना जो बोलते हैं, आपके आउटलायर्स रिमूव करना पॉसिबल है, आपका डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन पॉसिबल है, आपको बड़े बड़े डेटा सेट्स हैंडल करना पॉसिबल है with the help of this only one language called as a Python, because it's having your pandas, numpy जो हम देख रहे हैं प्रैक्टिकल में, आपके functions with the help of class you can follow with the help of this Python features. Okay, अभी पाइथन का बेसिक सिंटैक्स में हमें जाने की जरूरत नहीं, एवरीवन नोस, बट अगर आप पाइथन का बेसिक सिंटैक्स आपके पाइथन आइडियली पे रन करते हो तो इट विल बी लुक लाइक दिस. ओके, अभी आप सब लोग यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, सम आर यूजिंग VS Code, some are using your Jupyter notebook, some are using PyCharm. You can use any interface whatever you want, but you should be write the proper syntax. Okay, these are the certain reserved case in case of your basically in case of Python basically. Now in Python, the one thing you should be noted, there is a indentation. जो भी है वो indentation, because there is no यहाँ पे curly brace start हुआ है, यहाँ पे close होना है, and there is a colon. Every time whenever we are using the keyword, we can use the colon remark. And indentation मतलब ये देखो true यहाँ है तो ये यहाँ पे ही होना है, अगर ये यहाँ से यहाँ चला जाता है तो you will get indentation error. Many people are running the program and they will get the indentation error. जब भी आपको indentation आना है तो आपको वो properly ही लिखना है, because there is not any curly brace, round break, opening brace, closing brace. So that anything not a curly closing bracket or happening in this case of a Python, we just have to write your indentation mark, and that will be the important in case of your Python language. This is what the list we can having: statement list, tuple, dictionary. We are done the program, and how we are going, that will be you people are knowing very well. और हमने practically implement किया है, तो it will be very helpful. Okay. Now next we will be see what are the basically the control statement of your basically in Python. Okay. So wait for a minute.
That will be
मैम बैकग्राउंड में बहुत नॉइज आ रहा है.
हाँ, बैकग्राउंड में अभी क्या करूँ?
this can be taken as read operation. This can be taken
सेकंड कर क्या सकते हैं प्रॉब्लम है. Now, can you tell me what are the control structures जो आपने C++ या Java में सीखे हैं? Can anyone tell me what are the control structures? किसको बोलते हैं control structure?
I have two wire. I can relate to
If it's a statement loops,
हाँ,
bit. Can generate 8
क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा?
ma'am, control structures like if else loop.
Okay,
these-
if all they can if else loop. Okay, if else as well as आपके while loop, then your for loop, as well as your basically we can call your break, continue, asserts, your for loop basically. Then we can having your range function, random function. Okay, so we will see the basically Python loop. Okay, okay.
What is the point that we need to write down? We need to write down this point.
So in Python, basically we can having this if loop, we can having if condition colon, L if we can try out the multiple condition, otherwise else, if else, L if and else. You can write the conditions in case of your Python if statement. So that will be you can write in a such a way: if x equal to 3, x equals to 3, x equals to 2, then x equals to 2. Then otherwise x equals to something else. If it should not be equals to 4, not equal to 3, it should be equals to other statement. And it chooses the colon. मतलब आपका if loop हो, L if हो, कहीं पे भी हो, आपको colon भूलना नहीं है. Now there is another if form alternative. We can having the return. If suppose you are printing in if statement, otherwise you can return zeros and -1 into that particular loop. So alternative form of this value, this can be simplify your code. That is the return statement. Okay. Then this is what a basically while. अभी हम किस पे लिखते थे C++ में
वायर अगर मेरे पास होगा एड्रेस के लिए तो मैं दो मेमोरी को कनेक्ट कर सकता हूँ. इसका एड्रेस 0 होगा और दूसरा एड्रेस 1 होगा. अगर मैं 0
अभी मैं क्या करूँ, बैकग्राउंड में नॉइज नहीं आए इसलिए.
On every location, how much data I can store? How much data I can store? So what I can do is, I've got one wire. That is, I can have close to one location.
So that is the while loop syntax. While you can write the condition colon and you should be print in such a way. Okay. Now wait for 2 minutes. Okay. So basically, we can having your wait. Am I audible clearly? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. The thing is that this is the while loop basically. In while loop, we can write the condition and we can print it. So while maybe हमेशा whenever you are writing, whenever you want to print the number from whatever the number you can enter and you can write the number incremented but with 1, 2, 3 at that time, or you want to calculate the factorial at that time, this while loop get used. So that's why this is called as a while loop. Okay, so syntax is very much important. Logic you can develop with the help of while loop when we are writing the factorial of your program. Then this is what the break loop. Break loop हम किसके अंदर लिख सकते हैं? We can use the keyword break inside the loop to leave the while loop. मतलब whenever you want to leave the while loop, that we got the factorial 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. At that time we should break the loop. Once it reaches to 1, it should break the loop. So that's why this is basically to breaking the condition of while loop, we can use the break loop. There is a word called as a continue. Inside the loop, we can stop processing current iteration or the loop and immediately go to the next line. मतलब we have to stop that particular key. No, we want this part is executed and we want to go to next line. At that time, we can use this continue statements. Okay. Now for loop, basically this is very much important for loop in Python. Basically, when we are entering the list element or we are adding the data in your dictionary, at that time we are using this for loop. Now for loop, Python's list is comprehensive, provide a natural idiom that usually requires the for loop in other programming language. Like in other programming language, for loop कैसे लिखते हैं? For loop I is equal to 0 means there is a initialization, then I less than or equal to 8, and there increment means initialization, condition and then increment. ऐसा C का syntax है. So this way the in for loop we can having only the two words in case of your Python. for and inward. These are also used in syntax lanes for the for, like for in the range of, or for in the order of this, and colon. Basically, this is what the syntax for loop means. This is what the for whatever item we want to be, and in the collection of, like for in for what we can say, for some cat in the hello world. So print some cat. So that will be, we can having the collection is your list tuple in the loop, basically steps through each other element, and the collection is the string in the loop itself. So that's it. Wait for 2 minutes. So this way the Python first loop is going to be done. Then you can write a for with the help of random function, means random range जो function है, and there is a library we can call it as a random int basically. So that random library you can import, and you can take the random numbers, means if you are not able to give the data continuously, though you can use the random function. This is what the for loop basically. In case of for x and y, you can write the range of that particular also from within this function. So for loop and range function. So for x print range 5, मतलब x में we can having the print x, so it will be print up to 0 1 2 3 4 5. So this will be, you can write the for x in range. So that will be the for loop. Suppose we can having for loop and dictionary, basically ages, Sam, keys, and 4 value associated with this. So for name in ages keys. So अगर मुझे names print करने हैं with the ages, so that will be Bill is to Mary and Sam. So this way we can having the for loop in keyword, and with the help of this syntax we can access your dictionary element, list element, and tuple element. Even we can having basically your printing of your data, basically means while you are taking empty list and we are inserting data, appending data into the date list, at that time also this for loop we can require. मतलब अगर आपको एक list randomly एक empty list यहाँ पे हमने ले लिया, and we should want to add the data, so we can add it that this is what my empty list, so I can write my list dot append, and we can start appending into the data, or we can start pushing the data into that particular list. So this is what the syntax for the basically we can have in your for loop. Okay, now next we can having your basically your numeric text. So we have seen flow control functions and class definitions. Okay, so basically when we are having functions, now functions मैंने आपको दिखाया था कि Python में function basically we can write with the help of word called as a definition keyword. Okay, and that finally basically a Python functions we can call it with DEF, means define the functions, and through that we can basically call the function structures. Okay, now in case of your functions we can have it better.
But 16-bit का address है. 16-bit का address है. तो कितनी ऐसे location? So the 16 location. What is duration 16 location? What is duration 16 location?
Syntax.
So this duration if you don't go into that, then memory की बात करो तो मैं longer it can be written over 0 into 0 4 key. यानी memory की size कितनी होगी? size of memory इतनी location है.
मैं स्क्रीन ही शेयर विथ यू ना. बहुत ज्यादा आवाज आ रहा है क्या बैकग्राउंड से स्टूडेंट्स?
नो मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत ज्यादा आ रहा है कि कम आ रहा है, कैसे बताओ?
मैम जो सर पढ़ा
मैम आ रहा है, मैम
रहे
आ रहा है.
सर पढ़ा रहे हो, आ रहा है क्या? ओके, आ रहा है कि कितना आ रहा है? मेरा आवाज आ रहा है क्या प्रॉपर? ये
मैम
मिक्सअप हो
आपका
रहा
आवाज आ रहा है बट वो नॉइस की वजह से ना मैम डिस्टरबेंस भी हो रहा है।
है। ओके, वो क्या करें, अभी मैं ये डेस्कटॉप पे बैठी हूँ और सर का भी लेक्चर चल रहा है, उधर मैम का चल रहा है। ऐसा है। ऐसा है, नेक्स्ट टाइम से फिर वी विल सिट इन अनदर पोजीशन दैट यू विल नॉट डिस्टर्ब, बट स्टिल वी शुड कंटिन्यू विद दिस। सो मैं थोड़ा बहुत ही सिखाती हूँ, आज जल्दी छोड़ देते हैं ड्यू टू दिस नॉइज। Next week I will be definitely consider, and Pune students you should be join until and unless the further instruction will be come to you. Okay, तो मैं आपको ये भेजा करूंगी लिंक, you just join the lecture. Okay, and Prathamesh, if possible you can take your attendance sheets and just pass me. Okay. Okay, this is called as a Python function. Basically function is a block, or we can call it as it's an organized block, or we can having reusable code that is used to perform a single all basically related actions, like every time whenever we want the factorial of each number, so we write the one factorial function, and in that whatever the number we want user entered, that factorial function should be get called. That is, suppose we have to get x is equal to x plus 1, and that should be stored num is equal to, that means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1. So that basically every time we should call this particular thing called as a functions, and that should be functions we are writing, so that factorial function gets done. So function provides the better modularity for your application and high degree of code reusing. Basically, it should be use a high degree code of reusing. Basically, Python gives many built-up functions like called as a print, or there are certain user-defined functions also. Okay. Now this is what a defining a function. Now function block begins with the keyword called as a def, basically followed by the function name as well as parenthesis. जो मैंने आपको प्रोग्राम भी एक दिखाया है, and next I may be tomorrow or Wednesday we are having practical, we will perform the function as well as class methods. Okay, जो हमारे perform नहीं हुए हैं till date, so we will perform the function as well as class method. So in that we can having the function name as well as parenthesis. Now any input parameters and arguments should be placed within this parenthesis. Also define the parameter inside that particular parenthesis. Basically function, the code block with the every function start with your colon, and it should be the intended basically. So that's why basically we can having the function name as well as whatever the parameter we are passing to this, that is the passing of your integer number, passing of your character. So that basically we are going to be follow this particularly a function name. The code block within every function start with a colon. So हमेशा colon ये जो चीज है ना, जब भी आप पाइथन प्रोग्राम लिखोगे एट दैट टाइम यू विल फिट इन माइंड कि आप कोई भी एक कीवर्ड लिखा तो आपको कोलन ऐड करना है, नॉट की सेमी कोलन. ओके, because many people are get confused within the syntax, so don't confuse you just the colon thing. The statement return expression exit the function. कभी कभी आप फंक्शन में रिटेन कर सकते हो, or otherwise you can pass the argument with the same return none. So that's why basically function can be executed in a different way. So this is what the syntax, that is definition, function name. Hello. Anyone wants to say something? So that basically the function, doc string function. So expression basically returning what you are returning, either you are returning particular one or returning any expression. So that calculated and then printed other thing. So this will be the basically like this is the definition. Print me str means the string we are. String क्या है आपकी? This prints a passed as the string function, and print str return value. So this will be the particularly we can having a returning thing, and with the help of this we can using your particularly in a function. Okay, then you can having this a calling function. Now there is a pass by reference and pass by value. Basically we can having call by value and call by reference in, while in some functions we are directly passing the value. So this is what basically parameter argument in Python language are passed by references. Means whenever we are passing the argument, at that time we can say it should be the passing references, while if any parameter is within the function reflects calling back the function, so that will the value. So this is what is just the simple program we can having. This is the definition function change me my list. Basically this is the list function. Here we can having past list, so we can appending into the existing list. So what will be, this is what the value inside the function means, we are whatever the existing my list we have to append this list, means in list में list हमें append करना है, and we can having the nested list also. Okay, likewise, so this is what the output आप देख रहे हो. And change me to basically my list, मतलब वो एक बन के क्या होनी चाहिए, my list assign होनी चाहिए. So whenever we are executing this code firstly get called to this particularly change name as my function, and this function calls this mylist parameter. Mylist parameter जाके वो यहाँ पे आएगा, this get printed, then mylist it should be append. So append क्या होगा, 1 2 3 4, which should be append function means other list is going to be added into this list, and that we, if not then value inside the function basically. So that will be the printing my list. So this way we can calling this function. जब आप ये execute करोगे, at that time you better way know that how this list can be generated. Now यहाँ पे just only एक single list we can pass this, we are not appended the list. So that's why it should be calling my list firstly, this function call होगा और उसके बाद ये function call होगा, and that why this both results get printed. The function argument, we can require the argument, keyword arguments, default argument, and variable length argument. That depends on your programming statements, what kind of argument we are going to be passing. This is what the keyword argument, like we are having the str. Then we can having parameters. जब भी name, age, we can have default argument means by default it should be the age, name जो भी होता है that cannot be pressed. Then your variable length. So this is what the basically arguments we are going to be passing with the help of this particularly function. So that's why we have to basically having this online argument, that asterisk placed before variable, that will be hold the value of non-keyword variable arguments. Basically we can having tuple जो है, that non-variable argument should be passed whenever writing the asterisks. Okay, so this way we can having, and there are the anonymous functions which can pass as a lambda. ये जो है ये एक function है lambda का, it is very much important. So ये lambda function क्या करता है, it takes any number of argument but return just one value. Means suppose I have to pass many number of arguments but I have to take one output, like finding out factorial we can pass out, or finding out basically we can what increment Fibonacci series. Basically in Fibonacci series we have to 0 0 plus 1. At that time these many numbers we are passing and we are printing that in a single function. At that time we are using this lambda function, और lambda का return करने का भी यही तरीका है writing. Okay, so जब भी हमको number of argument ज़्यादा pass करने हैं, like this here we can having argument 1 plus 2, and but we have to return just total of these two numbers. At that time you can write the lambda function. Okay, और आप इसको भी ऐसे ही लिख सकते हो. Okay, the same way global and local variable. Global means we can having the accessible through with the whole program, while local inside the particular body, that will be the local variable. So this way basically we can having the functions and function name in the Python. Okay, then basically we can having your class. तो अभी हम Python में class कैसे लिखते हैं वो देखते हैं. Okay, and this will be basically we can having with the help of your Python is very easy.
क्योंकि आपको ऑपरेशन क्या करना है, जैसे अगर एक ऐड ऑपरेशन हो रहा है तो ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट, ऐड के बाद सब्ट्रैक्ट इतनी तेजी से ही परफॉर्म होगा जो दूसरा फंक्शन है. सेकंड पर जब फास्ट होगा तो सेकंड इंस्ट्रक्शन फास्ट परफॉर्म होगा. तो इसका मतलब यही है कि जितनी हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी उतना फास्ट आपका प्रोसेसर है. So let's say when you don't start buying a computer or laptop, you need to check its working frequency. So there's like 1.8 gigahertz दिया हुआ है और 1.9 gigahertz. Naturally you have to go for It is one of the
So have you tried the program?
Google for 1.8
Hmm?
और एक हाई-फाई आपका जो है
Anyone getting any error or anyone getting any what can I say queries?
i7 is
हाँ.
1.3 कुछ है. Out of this, the best is this one.
Anyone?
इसकी स्पीड ओवरऑल ज़्यादा नहीं है.
Hmm?
सिर्फ और सिर्फ फ्रीक्वेंसी मैटर नहीं करती, बाकी और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. फ्रीक्वेंसी बस थोड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो बड़ी स्लो.
Anyone who performed the program?
So that was point number 6. Okay.
Which program did we have to perform?
You whatever I have told you in that you have you done any variations? Have you performed? जो मैंने दिया है वही आपने परफॉर्म करके देखा, आपका खुद का कुछ किया?
हाँ मैम, तब प्रैक्टिकल में किया था.
हाँ
अभी
प्रैक्टिकल
करते.
में किए थे. अभी आपने अदर देन दिस प्रैक्टिकल तो आपको करना ही है, बट आपने ऐसा कुछ किया कि नहीं? हैव यू ट्राइड ऑल दोस थिंग?
Yes ma'am, tried.
ओके ओके, वेरी गुड. हाउ मेनी पीपल?
This is again a very good topic. लेकिन हम इसको explain नहीं करेंगे कि
How many people have tried?
खुद अकेले काम करेगा, किसी प्रोफेसर की मदद नहीं.
Now what is the class? क्या होता है बताओ मुझे. Can anyone knows class?
Professor is working on
Hmm?
a standard.
Can anyone knows class? आपने C++ में क्लास लिखा है? क्लास.
If the processor works as a standalone processor,
What are the क्लास कहाँ पे यूज होता है बताओ आप मुझे. क्लास.
Class can be used to make this database kind of thing where you have this where you can put all the objects and all the elements in like different classes.
Okay.
The
So
idea.
class. Okay. So class is a collection of what basically?
Variables.
Variables. Okay. Other than this.
It can have variables, lists, tuples, all sorts of things it can have.
Variables.
Excellent. Variable basically not tuples we can conclude, but we can having the different kinds of a data items. We can
Okay.
consider integer, string basically. So through that we can calculate the class. Through class, what are the different things we can having in object oriented programming? Can you familiar about your basically what I can say encapsulation, method overriding, method overloading?
No ma'am.
No. Okay.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
yes, who is that? Tell me what is method overloading, method overriding? Yes, who? Aniket, you're saying something. Tell me.
मैम बलजीव here. मैंने बोला था मैम.
Yeah. Okay, Balju. I thought it's okay. Balju, हाँ बोलो. What is method overloading?
मैम
And what is
ओवरलोडिंग मतलब अगर if there is something like a parent class, क्लासेस में पेरेंट क्लास चाइल्ड क्लास ऐसे होता है ना, तो उसमें अगर कोई पेरेंट क्लास है तो उसमें हमें ये ओवरलोडिंग वाला फीचर अलाउ करता है कि हम चाइल्ड क्लास का जो फंक्शन है वो यूज कर सकते हैं जो ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है पेरेंट क्लास में ऐसे.
means same name with the different argument basically.
Yeah.
While in overloading, in simple sentence I will tell you, and in overriding same name with the same argument basically. Means एक method को दूसरी method पे override करना, that is nothing but overriding and overloading basically. These are the two different concepts but very much important, and basically in classes is basically the heart of your object oriented programming. The Python programming का heart basically OOPS है, और इसमें हम basically we can having the classes, modules as well as your object. Now whenever we have to define the class, there is the constructor and destructor. We have to initialize the constructor, and once we have defined the constructor, we should destroy that constructor using destructor. So this constructor and destructor concept should be very much helpful in case of your Java. But in case of your Python, we are having the by default constructor. They are initialized using the method called as underscore underscore init init underscore underscore init underscore underscore. So that will be we can having the folder with initialization of your constructor. So that will be basically the Python model name package we can have in the reusable code. So whenever we are using your class method, we should having the name word called as a class. Okay, and with the help of this class word, we can having defining or we can having the different methods. In that first method is underscore underscore init underscore means basically with the help of this initialization method we can initialization of the object. Suppose we are having the employee record, and in that employee record we have to having age, name, mobile number. So we are initialize that member, and then onwards we are trying to accessing that particular with the employee id, with the employee name, and with the particular class there is an object has been created outside your class, and with the help of that object we can access that particularly class. Okay, so I will show you the program basically in class of your class, and then we will move forward. Okay, so I will show that particularly program in next lecture with the class and class object. Only just remember that class is basically we should write different method. I will show you one program, and according to that way you should build up the different programs. Okay, और आप like student का class कर सकते हो, you can make employee class, you can make other different classes also, and through with the help of that classes we can access the basically different elements. Okay, understood? Okay, so next lecture I will show you because the background noise is coming. So we will basically not completed within the time. We have only 10 minutes left, 10 or 13 minutes left basically. 20 हो गया है. So basically it's not possible to show you the class and to theory. We will see next lecture. Basically I will take the attendance. Now today's lecture what we have seen.
So it is just like this, just like अगर आप book देखते हैं,
Today's lecture what we have seen.
टेक्स्ट के अंदर दो पेजेस आपको नजर आते हैं, एक तरफ आपको और पेज नजर आता है, एक तरफ ईमेल पेज नजर आता है. So it works with the same principle. To add any given element,
अविराज
तो एक साथ read.
अविराज
और अगर आप एक बुक को सिर्फ एक तरफ ही अगर आप xerox निकालते हैं,
शेरिल
तो आप
Present,
पेज
ma'am.
ओमकार
Present, ma'am.
फोर
Present.
Present, ma'am.
कौन अविराज.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके मैं अभी रोल नंबर कॉल करती हूँ. 4
Present, ma'am.
5
Present, ma'am.
oh my god Aryan 6 7
Present, ma'am.
8 9 Tushar 10
Present, ma'am.
11 yes Mike Raj
Present, ma'am.
my voice is equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Now it will be okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay 12
Present, ma'am.
13 14 15 16
Present, ma'am.
17
Present, ma'am.
18
Present, ma'am.
19
Present, ma'am.
20
Present, ma'am.
21
Present, ma'am.
22
just like
23
what it
23, 24, 25, 26,
Present, ma'am.
Present.
27, दो क्यों बोल रहे हैं?
Present, ma'am.
28, 28, दलवाई, मोहम्मद असगर खान दलवाई. 29,
Present, ma'am.
30, 31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
32 is there, 33,
Present, ma'am.
okay, 34, 32 भी है ना श्रेयस? श्रेयस जाधव,
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. कृतिका,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Present, ma'am.
36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Present, ma'am.
38,
Yes, ma'am.
39,
Present, ma'am.
30, 40, 41,
Present, ma'am.
42,
Present, ma'am.
43, 43, 44.
मैम मेरे नाम क्या आ गया? आपने
Present,
प्रेजेंट
ma'am.
डाला ही नहीं.
कौन?
बलजीत मैम आपने वहाँ पर प्रेजेंट एब्सेंट कुछ नहीं डाला.
ओके ओके. नेक्स्ट सुमित,
Present, ma'am.
साक्षी,
Present, ma'am.
शारदा,
Present, ma'am.
अम्बेश,
Present, ma'am.
अर्पित सिंह, मनीष कुमार, भौतिक, शाकिर, हाँ शाकिर, हाँ कौन है? अनिरुद्ध, मिगदाद,
49 present, ma'am.
40,
49, ma'am. 49.
49, ओके. मनीष कुमार, ओके.
हाँ, ma'am.
आणि मिगदाद, मिगदाद, ठीक है. ओके. सो
roll number 8 present.
रोल नंबर 8 is okay. आदर्श.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट एनीवन हु लेफ्ट?
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम अब तक कोई मैसेज नहीं आया है वो नवे बच्चों का या कुछ? आपको मैंने लास्ट टाइम बोला था जो.
मतलब कौन से ये नए ऐड हुए हैं?
हाँ मैम उन्हीं का.
उनको मैंने लिंक भेजा था जो ऑफिशियल ग्रुप का है. सो दे वर सेइंग दैट दे वर एडेड इनटू द ग्रुप. ऐसा है.
नहीं मैम मैं कैंपस के ग्रुप की बात कर रहा था मैम. जो नवी मुंबई का कैंपस का ग्रुप है उसमें दे आर नॉट देयर ना. उसमें सब
Okay,
बाकी
okay.
डिस्कशन भी होते हैं ना उसके लिए.
हाँ ओके ओके. मैं बोल देती हूँ उनको एक बार. उनको मीटिंग. मनीष इज देयर. मनीष, मनीष Manish Kumar, you just take the Baljiv's number. He has created unofficial group also. तो उसमें उनके बहुत सारे डिस्कशन होते हैं तो आप भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकोगे. वो बहुत सारे डिस्कशन है. ओके
ठीक है मैम.
हाँ तो आप बाकी लोगों को भी बता दो.
ठीक मैम.
आपका जो डायरेक्ट सेकेंड ईयर के स्टूडेंट है शाकिर वगैरह उनको सबको. ओके. So next lecture we will definitely going to be see the class object and other things related to Python. Till that you just continue be practicing with the Python because it will be helpful to do the others Python things like pandas framework जो हम देखने वाले हैं जिसमें हम we are dealing with the multiple data sets and this function is very much important. So that's why I am teaching functions, class, objects. ये जो हम सीख रहे हैं these things are very much important while we are running the Python program. So that's why the class and class definitions, उसके constructor कैसे हैं, how we can create the constructor in tomorrow's lecture. Tomorrow don't think so. We have lecture basically. We are having lecture now. अभी कल क्या है? Tomorrow I don't have anything. But if in case any lab will not happen, so you just inform me. We will take extra lab. Okay. So both the class representative Prathamesh and Baljiv, you just take care. अगर आपका कोई भी ये नहीं होता है तो हम we will take that lab. Like प्रीति मैम, आपका जो BCBS का है जो लैब है 11 to 1, ओके. COE का तो हो जाएगा, सर लेने वाले हैं बेसिकली. So only that lab, if we possible, then we can take it. Okay.
मैम कब?
कल के लिए, कल की बात कर रही हूँ. If not possible, then it will be okay. We will having the practical on your Wednesday as well. Okay.
Ma'am, tomorrow we are having 2:30 to 4:30 free. Mostly.
2:30 to 4.
Mostly, not confirmed.
Okay, because 2:30 to 4:30 basically Mumbai students having COA lab ऐसा है. But we will discuss. हाँ.
मैम एक्चुअली प्रेजेंट है लेक्चर में, लेकिन उसका प्रॉब्लम है इसलिए उसको सुनाई नहीं दे रहे हैं. रोल नंबर 30 मैम.
ओके. ओम बात कर रहे हैं क्या? ओके. ओम का नंबर क्या है? ओम 13.
नहीं मैम, अक्षत अग्रवाल. मैं प्रेजेंट हूँ मैम, मैंने प्रेजेंट ही लगाई है.
ओके. एक सेकंड, क्या नंबर है आपका? अक्षत
नंबर
13. हाँ, यस, आपकी एब्सेंट ही लगाई है. नो इश्यूज. ऐसा कुछ भी हो तो बाद में अटेंडेंस खत्म होने के बाद मुझे बताया करो, बिकॉज देयर मे बी नेटवर्क इशू एट योर साइड आल्सो. So I'll be definitely considering all the issues at your side because network fluctuate होता है. And there are so you just type in a chat window, or you just tell your friend or type in your group also that I can mark the attendance afterwards also. Okay. So thank you students. Thanks a lot. Keep practicing and keep reading. We will practice about the class and objects in next practical. But let me know if you are having free time in today's any 2 hours, then we will definitely conduct our practical of CS. Okay. But both the slots will be Mumbai as well as Pune. Both the students will be free at the same time. Okay. So you can communicate Prathamesh and Baljiv.
Ma'am, but tomorrow 11 to 1 is like really not possible only. We are having 2 lectures.
No issues. Not at an issue. We are having Wednesday.
Ma'am.
We will consider in Wednesday's practical. I'm just telling you possibility, not surely क्या होना ही चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है. If off get both the side, then I am telling you. ऐसा नहीं कि आप किसी और को ये करके, बिल्कुल नहीं ऐसा करना है. अगर आप फ्री हो तो ही मुझे बताओ. both the peoples पुणे as well as मुंबई. ओके. नहीं है तो कुछ भी मत करो, शांति से आप आपके लेक्चर प्रैक्टिकल अटेंड करो. नो इश्यूज. ओके. We will conduct on Wednesday. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day. Amit Kumar, you started the recording. I have forgotten. Amit Kumar. Aviraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Contact Amit Kumar, and if he save the recording, just send me through mail or just upload it on the channel basically.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I have forgotten to start the video recording. Sorry. 2 days.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.